Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Lenny Sedawati. My NPM is 23,411,023. Management Class 23EX. Here I will explain the video assignment for the Human Resources Management course, entitled Financing Institution. A financing institution is a financial entity that provides funds or financing for various needs, whether for individuals or companies. The main function of a financing institution is to offer alternative financing solutions outside of traditional banks. These institutions typically focus on specific activities, such as consumer financing, vehicle financing, housing financing, and more. Here's a more detailed explanation of financing institutions. Definition of ethics and culture. Ethics is a set of moral principles that govern the behavior of individuals or groups. In a professional context, ethics encompasses the values and norms that guide actions and decisions, such as honesty, responsibility, and fairness. Culture is the collection of values, norms, beliefs, and customs adopted by a particular group or society. Culture reflects the way of life, interactions, and thinking that develop within a specific social environment. Relationship between ethics and culture. Ethics and culture are interconnected, as culture often shapes the ethical framework within which individuals operate. Cultural values can influence what is considered ethical or unethical. For example, in certain cultures, respecting elders may be seen as a strong moral obligation, while in other cultures, individual freedom may be emphasized more. Therefore, understanding ethics in the context of culture is crucial for fostering good interpersonal relationships and making sound decisions. Examples of code of conduct in manufacturing and banking companies. Manufacturing companies. Health and safety. All employees must wear personal protective equipment, PPE, and follow safety procedures. Use of tools and machines. Employees are prohibited from using machinery without proper training and must report any malfunctions immediately. Environmental ethics. Employees must comply with waste management procedures to minimize environmental impact. Banking. Confidentiality of customer data. Employees are prohibited from sharing personal customer information with third parties without consent. Anti-corruption. Employees must not accept bribes or gratuities from customers or third parties. Fair service. All customers should be treated fairly, without discrimination based on race, gender, or social status. These codes of conduct help maintain integrity, trust, and safety in the workplace. A financing institution is a financial entity that provides funding to individuals or companies for various purposes, such as purchasing goods, working capital, or investment. These institutions are not limited to banks but also include non-bank financial institutions, such as financing companies. Multi-finance provide credit facilities for the purchase of motor vehicles, heavy equipment, or consumer goods. Leasing offers financing in the form of lease agreements, typically for assets like machinery, vehicles, or equipment. Venture capital provides capital to startups or small companies with high growth potential. Credit unions offer loans to their members at lower interest rates compared to banks or other financial institutions. These institutions help improve access to capital and credit, supporting economic growth and the development of small and medium enterprises. Okay, that's all my presentation. If I say anything wrong, I apologize to Allah. I ask forgiveness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.